Right guys, this is step one. I've taken it apart, 4 screws. I've measured these distances and I've created a template chassis just so I can start with things aligned correctly. So I should be able to screw these in. And then once I'm happy this lines up, then we can worry about minor little things like making the steering work. That doesn't want to go in. And where the motor's going to fit and how we're going to do the gears and gearbox and all that sort of thing. But first thing I need to do is make sure that I can actually fit the body shell. Why didn't that one want to go through? That's better. So little things like the actual depth of the chassis, and that we can sort out later. And that actually looks about right. Looks like it needs to shelve away a little bit at the front there and shelve away a bit at the back, which we can tell by looking at this anyway. It does slightly curve. There's quite a chamfer on the back there, but that gives us a start. So that's stage one. Everything else will be built on that. This may even totally disappear by the time we finished, but it's the alignment of those 4 holes that's the important bit for me. I suppose I could just give you some idea of why this is important to me. If I want to measure where the axles go across, we can use these as fixed points to measure from. So from the back of that one to the front of the axle, allowing for it slopping around a little bit, 34 points. Well, in fact, I would guess that's probably 34, allowing for the unevenness of this moulding there. Yeah, I would probably set that at 34 for the first print run for the axle. See how it aligns and then move it a little bit if necessary. Same with the front axle. I would say that's 37. Axle is 2.5 thick. Yeah, 2.5 thick. So yeah. So from the front, we want to come back 37, and from the back 34. So it'll probably be the next stage, get the axles aligned. Again, that'll only be a temporary thing as we build it, because the front axles won't be a straight through axle anyway, because we want steering on there. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.